Now, welcome back to News Desk. My name is Kelly Boss. I'm here for Business at One. Now, in order to equip farmers with modern farming technologies and enhance productivity and sustainability in the sector, the county government of Kericho has released 28.2 million to 30 farmers SACCO as part of its commitment. Over 200 agripreneurs and 300 community development committee members have been commissioned to further enhance the initiative at the grassroots level.
Only. So we want His Excellency to sign.
We still have some space here.
Asante sana, Mheshimiwa Eric.
Change agriculture wherever they are. Mesikia kama na hapa yake hapo na log, anaenda kwa farmer kila siku, ana register farmer, una register ya SHA, ya livestock na ya crops. Kila mtu. So you are overall, you are the MD of farmers. Unasikia? So mkienda ground, next time when you be coming for rating, tunasema nani amefanya mzuri kwa ward yake. Sawa sawa? We trust you, we believe in you.
Now, the Kenya Tourism Board is inventing different ways to market the country's tourism.